Hello everyone, welcome to our new video about the vowels. My name is Devlet and I'm your Turkmen language and literature teacher. So today I will introduce you the vowels, the vowel classifications in Turkmen language. Slowly we will study the phonetic rules of Turkmen language, and phonetic rules of Turkmen language is very important because the whole grammar of Turkmen language based on the phonetical rules. So today we are going to study short and long vowels. Short and long vowels. In Turkmen we say qiyfgı ve uzun çekimliler. As I said in the previous video about the consonants, we have two variant of th and the. So as you can see, when I read it, I do not read it as a qiyfgı ve uzun. No, I say qiyfgı ve uzun. The same thing, just I want to remind you, the same thing with g. G in the beginning of the word, I read it as a g, qiyf, qiyf, but we have g in the middle, so qiyfgı. I say qiyfgı. I don't say qiyfgı. No, I don't say qiyfgı. No. I say qiyfgı, qiyfgı. Ve uzun, not uzun, ve uzun. And the same thing with the ve. I don't say ve, I say ve. Qiyfgı ve uzun çekimliler. Qiyfgı means short, ve means end, uzun means long, vowels çekimliler. Okay, in total we have 9 vowels. Those are a, o, e, i, ü, I, ö, u, e. One more time. A, o, e, I, ü, I, ö, u, e. So 9 vowel students divided into the two groups. Short and long. So short vowels students, is, let's make it simple. All of these vowels has short and long variants, but e and a. Because e, we do not have long e. And usually we do not have short e. And we do not have long e. When we need to say e longer in some words, we just change it with the e. That's all. So again, we do not have long e and we do not have short e. Other sounds, or let's say other letters, we have both variants. We have long a, short a, we have long o, short o, we have long i, short i, we have long u, short u. The same with I, ö, and u. Just only e and e. Okay. So in Turkmen, as I said before, the sound e has no long variant and e has no short variant. For example, ene, we don't say ene, we say ene, grandmother, ene. And boots, edik. We don't say edik, no, edik. And students, it's very important, this grammar, and especially as I said here, beginners should take care to learn the difference between short and long vowels. The difference often is all that distinguishes the meaning of the words. Because if you ignore this rule, then the meaning of the words in your sentence would be different. And sometimes it will cause misunderstanding with the locals. Okay, in the Kyrgyz language, it's another language, Central Asian language. Kyrgyzstan is in Central Asia. So, in Kyrgyz language, the long vowels often represented by two consecutive vowels. For example, let's say the word bari, they write the two when they need to make the vowel longer, they just repeat the same letter twice. Bari, not ba'ari, but bari. Bari means all. But in Turkmen language, unlike Kyrgyz, the length of the vowels is not explicitly indicated in writing, unfortunately. It is determined by the phonetic context and the morphological structure of the words. So knowing the meaning of the word and its grammatical role, this is the only thing that can help you to distinguish the vowels. For example, the same word. Kyrgyz language and Turkmen language, they're both Turkic languages, so we have many words in common. So the same word, but they use Cyrillic writing system, we use Latin. That's all, or Romanic. So bari, they write two, but in our case we use just one a, but we say it long. Bari. Again, the meaning is all. Bari. So yeah, at some point it's easier when in a writing system, let's say in writing, when it's indicated, the length of the vowels indicated, it's really easy. But unfortunately we do not have this kind of rules. So the only thing you can do in order to distinguish the length of the vowels is just to learn the meaning of the word. That's the only and the best way to know the difference. That's all. And according to the context, of course. For example, at is a horse, but at is a name. At is a name. At. Bil, no. Imperative, like I ask you to know. Bil, no, but waist is bil. The next example, ot. Ot is a grass. Ot is a fire. The next one, pil. Pil is an elephant. Elephant. But peel is a shovel. Dash is a far. Dash is a stone. Yad, right. Yad, spring. Yad. Tut. You see, tut is a catch, again imperative. Tut, mulberry tree. So students, here as you can see, I tried to distinguish the long vowels with the colons, with two dots, with the colons, but in our writing system we do not use it. I just used it so that it would be more clear to you to understand these rules. Okay. Another examples. For example, öl. Öl is a die, imperative. Öl, die. Öl is a wet. Öl is a wet. Öl is an adjective. Öl is a word. Öl is a verb. So dur, stop. Dur, standing. Dur is also it has a standing, the meaning of the standing. That means something is going on right now. Someone is standing right now. Dur. Bid, where, bid, all. Bar, go. Bar, that is the ra. Gap, gap. Yat, yat. Thats, thats. Yap, yap. One more time. Let me read all of these examples one more time. At, at. Bil, bil. Ot, ot. Pil, pil. Dash, dash. Yad, yad. Tut, tut. Öl, öl. Dur, dur. Bid, bid. Bar, bar. Gap, gap. Yat, yat. Thats, thats. Yap, yap. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.